Hey everyone, welcome back to the Camp Nou Vision. Today we are back again with another massive construction update. Right now, the entire site is moving at a very intense pace, with continuous activity happening across multiple zones and some really noticeable progress that is shaping the overall structure day by day. From heavy structural movement to detailed on-site operations, everything is advancing step by step. So let's get straight into the update and see what's happening on the ground today. Right now, we are at the Tribuna side of the stadium, where the core structures are continuing to take more shape with every update. The interiors of the nuclei are still mostly empty, but there is now much more movement across the entire front area. Construction materials are spread around the zone, while work continues progressing steadily near the future Barça Store. The remaining core sections are still under development, and once completed, this entire area is expected to move forward much faster. The biggest surprise today comes from the south goal area, where the first decorative lama has finally been installed. This is a huge visual milestone for the project, as the stadium is now starting to show part of its final exterior appearance. More support structures and working platforms can already be seen around the area, while workers continue preparing additional sections for the next ceramic lama installations. Activity in this zone is clearly increasing as more structural pieces are being placed step by step. Work on the third tier continues moving steadily as crews remain focused on the upper core structures and cantilever sections. Multiple support platforms and scaffolding systems are still active around the upper levels, especially near the joint connection zones where future structural elements will be installed. Workers are also continuing reinforcement and finishing work on several concrete cores, preparing the area for the next expansion phase of the upper stadium structure. From above, the third tier now looks far more developed, and the stadium silhouette continues becoming more complete week after week. The compression ring remains the biggest focus of the entire project right now, and progress continues accelerating on both the north and south sides. Another radial beam was lifted into position earlier in the day, followed by the installation of a new box section connected directly to the ring structure. Large timber support systems are also being moved into place as crews prepare the next pillar installation areas. Crane activity around the ring has become non-stop, with multiple heavy lifts happening daily. The structure now looks significantly more complete, and every new installation makes the final stadium shape more visible from every angle. The ceramic lamas continue expanding across the stadium facade, with several lifting platforms active throughout the day. Workers were seen installing more ceramic sections around the lateral structure, while additional yellow and red lamas were also spotted ready for placement on site. The superstructure supporting the ceramic facade keeps growing rapidly, especially around the side sections of the stadium. Even though progress on the frontal facade looked slower earlier in the day, installation work later resumed, and new lamas were successfully added into position. The lateral false ceiling area is also slowly being covered, making the exterior look more complete with every update. The diamond structures continue advancing quickly, especially around the future Barça Store and Lateral areas. Inside the main diamond structure, workers are already forming the seating-style concrete sections, while other crews continue removing formwork and inspecting structural alignment. The shape of the structure is now clearly visible and becoming one of the most impressive areas of the project. Nearby diamond sections are also progressing steadily with pillar work, reinforcement installations, and preparation for future concrete walls. Material movement and worker activity around these zones confirm that the project is entering a much more advanced construction phase. The north goal corner is now entering the final preparation phase before major lamella installation begins. Workers were seen painting and treating multiple beam sections using protective coatings to prepare the structure for facade support systems. Anchor bolts are being aligned and tightened, while vertical support brackets are already visible across several painted beams. Additional slats have also arrived on site, increasing the material inventory inside the corner. Some support sections still need installation across the upper and middle levels, but the overall direction is very clear. This area is now progressing toward active facade installation rather than structural preparation. At the second-level mobility core, sandwich panel installation continued expanding across the structure this week. New panels were added on the left side, while installation work remained active on the right side simultaneously. Alignment rods hanging from above were visible, helping workers keep the panels positioned correctly during installation. The yellow insulation cores inside the sandwich panels can now clearly be seen across multiple sections. Elevated platforms were operating throughout the area as crews continued fitting and preparation work. Lamella anchors have not yet been installed here, but the required panel coverage needed before that stage is progressing steadily. Along the first cantilever section, welding operations and panel preparation activity continued during the week. Workers were visible operating in one active welding zone, while additional sandwich panels remained stacked nearby for future installation phases. Progress in this section is moving more gradually compared to the goal corners. But multiple work fronts are still active at the same time as interior and exterior preparation continues across the structure. Inside the stadium, block wall construction continued progressing across several sections of the second-level cantilever zones. One area appears much more advanced than the others, with scaffolding already installed and workers actively operating at height. These interior block wall sections are expected to become future service rooms, technical spaces, bathrooms, or operational areas inside the stadium infrastructure. The increasing pace of this work shows that interior fit-out activity is now becoming a more important focus across the project. Work in the VIP area is progressing steadily with continuous structural activity across multiple interior sections. Crews are actively engaged in alignment, reinforcement, and finishing operations, while elevated platforms are being used to access different levels of the structure for precise installation work. The overall framework is gradually becoming more defined as workers continue strengthening key structural points and refining internal details, indicating steady movement toward the final construction phase of this zone. The lateral stand continues to show strong and consistent construction activity across several structural levels, with teams working simultaneously on cantilever reinforcement, support adjustments, and alignment operations. Elevated platforms and machinery remain active throughout the area, allowing workers to access higher and lower sections efficiently for ongoing structural improvements. This week showed clear signs that Spotify Camp Nou is beginning to move beyond pure structural construction and into the early stages of fit-out and final stadium preparation. Compression ring work is continuing across both goal ends. Facade preparation is accelerating in the north goal corner. Sandwich panel coverage is expanding across the mobility core sections, and interior construction activity is becoming more visible inside the stadium. While structural work is still ongoing in several areas, more finished elements are now appearing every week. The project is gradually shifting from heavy construction into the phase where the final appearance of the stadium is starting to emerge.